In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your alarm not ringing after the iOS 26 update as well as future iOS updates. Here's 7 quick fixes that actually do work. But before we dive into them, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up the clock app. And what you're going to want to do is just make sure that your alarm is actually on with the correct time and repeat days. So selected, go through here and then just hit this checkbox and then tick it on to actually turn it on. If it is on, back out and go to your settings. And what you're going to want to do is actually just search specifically for sounds and haptics and open up this page and turn up your ringtone and alert section right here. You could also toggle off change with buttons so that volume doesn't get lowered automatically. But after doing so, if you are connected to earbuds, speakers, or car, your alarm may ring through those instead. So just swipe down from the control center and turn off Bluetooth. While you're in the control center, I also recommend turning off your focus center, which is going to be like do not disturb or maybe even sleep or anything else. So go ahead and turn those off. And if you're still having issues, go ahead and do a force restart on your device by quickly pressing the volume up button, the volume down button, and then holding that side button and release when that Apple logo does appear. If you're still having issues, and this is a last resort, open up settings again, and what you're going to want to do is actually just return to the main settings page and select the general tab just like so. From here, scroll down to the bottom and select transfer or reset iPhone, and then select reset and choose specifically reset all settings and confirm. But one of those fixes should fix your alarm not ringing. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.